All right, Math 121. Today we're going to talk about how to graph parabolas. So we have two different types of graphs. So this first one will be about quadratics that are written in standard form. So we see standard form up here. Anytime I'm going to try to graph a quadratic that's written in standard form, I'm going to have to use this thing over here called the axis of symmetry formula. Now, this formula over here, you're going to have to memorize. And so this is the way I memorize it. I'm looking for an x, so it's an x equals the opposite of b divided by 2 of the a. Okay, so if I come over here, that's going to look like this. I'm going to take this and say, I need to do x is equal to the opposite of b, so it's -3. So instead, I'm going to do 3 divided by 2 of the a's, which was 2. So we get 4. So what this means is I have an x value of my vertex. So I need to go find a y value of that vertex. So to do that, I'm going to use the remainder theorem from Unit 2. Going to write all my coefficients. Going to drop it down. I'm going to multiply. I'm going to make a common denominator. Okay, that's going to give me -3/2. Going to multiply again. Going to make a common denominator. Going to go ahead and add that up. And remember, whatever spits out as the remainder is it's the output, it's the answer, it's the y. So what we've decided is that we have this axis of symmetry at x equals 3/4. So that's right here. Axis of symmetry happens at x equals 3/4. And then I go down here and I say, well, 32 divided by 8 is 4. So this is a little bit less than 4. So at a little bit less than 4, I have a vertex. So the vertex lives on this axis of symmetry line, and it's right there. Then I have some more information here. We know that in standard form, the constant, which is 5 here, is the intercept. So then we know that the intercept goes like this. And now we're just going to go write the domain and range. Remember, this is a polynomial, so the domain is everything, and the range, because it's an even function, we have an absolute minimum. This happens at this value, and then it shoots off into infinity. And my end behavior doesn't matter which way I go. This guy shoots off to infinity. So the good thing about standard form graphing is it gives me this free intercept. The hard part is I have to do all this work over here to find where this vertex lives.